Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Altered Tech back again with a new video. In today's video, I have the Braun S8 Series 8 from Costco. It was 120 bucks. I think it's on sale again for the same price. It retails about 180 bucks. Was it worth it? I'll get straight to the point and let you guys know about the performance and some issues I've been having and some things I like about it and whether or not it was worth the upgrade from my Panasonic ES8 103S. This is my fourth time doing this video, so I don't feel like doing another take. So it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. If I stutter, I stutter. It is what it is. So people, here's the things that I do like about it. I do like the design. It looks pretty nice. It's fancy. It comes with a charging case. It comes with, has a cleaning feature as well. The battery life is pretty damn good. It cuts better than this one. It is wet and dry, just as with this one. So here's the thing, people. Things I don't like about it. Number one, the precision trimmer. This, people, if you're trying to get a nice clean, cut with your beard, this is not going to do it. So for me, I would have to use this and then use the main razor to go down into a straight line. And this is not going to give you a straight line. You're going to have to use a manual razor if you want a straight line. This is my old one. And for my old one, the issue I was having is that with your neck area, you got to actually go ahead and go at it. It's just that sometimes there would be like, patches remaining, maybe like a few long hairs, which, you don't want to have that. You want the ladies to go ahead and be like, oh man, why does he have a few hairs sticking out on his neck? That's kind of like, ladies nowadays, they don't like hair on men, so it is what it is. Our generation is kind of funny. They want us to look like fishes. So people, for this one, the same issues. It does a slightly better job, but you still gotta hack at it, and you're still gonna have, one or two hairs that didn't get cut. I'm still feeling a little bit of, areas that there's still hair. What I have to do is pull my skin and actually go at it. I know this had like this, pivoting head. It's supposed to adjust to your different curvatures of your face and whatnot, but it just doesn't do the job for me. Something else I got to point out is that the cleaning solution. So like I said, it's alcohol. Alcohol evaporates. So for this, people, I've cleaned it about 7 times so far, and this is how much solution I have remaining. Sure if you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's like almost done, and these things are not cheap. So you're going to be spending money on that. I mean, this was like, hey, I'm going to buy this and I'm going to save on, buying manual razors all the time. I'm going to save on this, but you're going to end up paying some money on these refill cartridges. Overall, the presentation, it looks nice and cool. Wait, speaking of cleaning, people, when this cleans, you're going to have pieces of hair around it too, so you're going to have to end up cleaning, wiping this down as well. So it doesn't really save you as much time as you would think. I think the idea of having a cleaning base charger, it's attractive to consumers. I think the idea of having a precision trimmer was attractive, and the thing about this is it's about marketing. On the box, they talk about, oh, we have thousands and thousands of RPM. You think that this was some kind of like, futuristic type, shaving machine that all you gotta do is do this and everything just comes off. No, that's not the case. The only areas where this actually does a great job is my mustache area and over here. I guess because there's not much, I guess actually it's because I have thick hair as well. So for some reason, maybe I have extra fat underneath my chin. That makes it difficult for the machine. So early on, I used this for this area, and then I went over it with this one. And it does a really nice, good job. My skin feels nice and soft. This is exactly what I wanted. I just wish I had the same experience with this area. Right now, people, to save money, I'm using these Amazon, razor blades. They're like, I got like about, 15 or something for like about 16, 17 bucks. They're pretty nice and sharp. They got the job done. So I'm still gonna have to use a manual razor with this one, and if I'm running late for work, I just hack away and try to just pray that no one actually comes close to me at work and just actually investigates how many hairs I have underneath my neck. So anyways, people, I think that's about it. Is it worth the price point? 120 bucks. It's a nice gift. It's nice to, if you want to like flaunt a little bit. But if you guys are buying something like for yourself, like personal, and you're like on a low budget, I'd be totally happy keeping this. Just that I got this as a gift, so I'm going to keep this. But if I bought this with my own money, I would have returned this a while ago. Costco has that 60-day plan, but I've been using this for over 60 days, so that is what it is. And the battery life on this is actually way better than the one on this one. Both of them are really good when it comes to battery life, but this one is like a workhorse. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions for me, I know you guys are probably thinking about buying someone you love a Christmas gift right now, and this is like a nice, gift. When I first got this as a gift, I was like, wow, this is cool, this is awesome, But in real life situations, it just doesn't live up to what you would expect from a $180 price device. So anyways, people, this is Ultratech signing out. If you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up down below. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Peace.